Thank you for looking into our iForms product. Our goal is to allow agents to collect a health insurance application online, submit that one application to multiple carriers, save that data for future use, and also use that collected data in your retention and marketing efforts. To manage the online application process, you will log into your iFusion account from our website. Once logged in, you will select the iForms tab and click on New Application Group. An application group is simply a company or group for whom you would like to make online applications available. You will be asked to fill out company-specific information in a couple of easy steps. During this group setup process, you will have the opportunity of specifying whether or not you would like to capture some of the non-private information for each applicant filling out an online application. Once you have created a new application group, applicants will be able to go to your iForms portal and fill out an application. The web address for your iForms portal is listed at the top of this page. This address should be distributed to anyone you want to have fill out an application. From the iForms portal, the first step will be for applicants to enter their company ID. This company ID is determined by you during the group setup process we mentioned before. The next screen will ask the applicant to enter a username automatically generated by the system beforehand. After entering the username, if the applicant has already started an application in the past, they will be asked for a password. If the applicant is here for the first time, they will be asked to register by providing a password and other information for future authentication. Once authenticated, the applicant will be able to begin the application process. The online questionnaire gathers all needed information in a user-friendly manner. To avoid confusion, only those questions that are required are actually asked. The applicant never has to worry about what or what not to fill out. The applicant also does not have to worry about re-entering duplicate information. Once an applicant has entered in a name or other piece of information, the questionnaire will automatically populate that information in future questions. If an applicant skips a question, they will be notified and that question will be highlighted. They may continue with the application, but they will not be allowed to sign the form until all required questions have been answered. Once all required information has been gathered, the applicant will be asked to e-sign their application. This signature is of course accepted as valid by the major Utah insurance carriers. Every time a user e-signs an application, an unalterable copy of that form is created, accessible through your iFusion account. From the contact management portion of your iFusion account, you will be able to view gathered information from each applicant. This information can be used to create automated retention and marketing campaigns. Once an applicant has begun the online application process, you may view status for each applicant. You may also view or save copies of completed application forms. Once all applicants have completed their online application forms, you'll want to create a submission packet. This feature allows you to include not only the application forms themselves, but additional documents required by